sick of love songs.
These, I have 2 other packs of these, and I like them a lot. I think they're really cute for putting snacks in. I even put snacks in them in the cabinet, so you don't have to actually bring them with you since we're not going anywhere these days. But I think they look really, really cute on their own. So I got those, and I got a little pack of lavender and thyme foaming hand concentrate. I've never gotten this before, so I'm excited to see how it smells. Ooh, it smells really good. I love that. I don't really normally like lavender as a smell, but this one had lavender and thyme in it, and I really like thyme, so I'm glad that I got that. This one you just...
Here's some Band-Aids.
It's a concentrate, so you add a little bit into the jar, and then you fill the rest with water, so that'll save a lot on packaging, which I tried to do. I'm not always good at it, but I try. This is another concentrate. It's the glass cleaner. We just recently got a storm door for our front door, and the whole thing is glass. So I wanted to get a glass cleaner to keep it clean, and they had these on 30% off. So it comes with 2. And you just... I've gotten the all-purpose cleaner before, and the orange rosemary smell is amazing. You just twist this off, put it in the spray bottle, fill the rest with water, and you're good to go. So I got a couple of those. I got this for the kids' bathroom. See if they like it. Right now I have the Method foaming pump. I just don't like how large the base of it is, and that it's plastic, and I really prefer glass. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, and it has like a little label here. It says soap, and then you fill the rest up to here with water. That's super cute. And you can remove this so that, because it's the same size as like the regular one. Kids. It's the regular one, so you can take that off as they get older, and maybe they don't want the cute little stars. Or if you want to use it somewhere else, it's super, super cute. They have another one, it's red with little animal cutouts, but I really like the yellow. Red's kind of a bold color. That's super cute. And my last item is a very small order, but I'm so excited about this. This is from their spring line, so it has the cute little pink flowers, and this is a bubble up system. I just think they look so cute sitting on the sink. And since I have my silicone scrubbers, I haven't really had anything that has like a good amount of scrub. They're very soft. So I got this to kind of get those tough to wash dishes. It's so pretty. I'm a sucker for pink. And it's got this little spring inside. So what you do is you put it in and you put soap in it. Let's pretend. And then you fill a little bit of water in there and you go like this to get suds in it, so you're not using as much soap that you normally would when you do dishes. That's going to look really cute on the sink, and I'll do that at the end. But with everybody being home, I'm doing a lot more dishes, and so I'm using a lot more soap. So I thought it might be a nice time to try it. See, that's my little Grove haul. It's not a huge one, but it's just a couple of essentials that I needed. And like I said, they had a 30% off sale, so everything was 30% off. Normally this is like $15 and it was like $11, so it's not a huge difference, but when you see that 30% off tag, you're like, oh my god, let's buy things. So yeah, I don't think they're having the sale right now, but I'll link below my Grove Collaborative code, so if you're not a member, you can get a 5-piece gift set with your first purchase of $20, and you get free shipping, and it's a really great service. Like they have a lot of really nice things, a lot of glass things which look really nice, and a lot of reusable items. So you should definitely check it out. Thanks for watching.
got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more.